He has fun.
See that doggy in the distance there? They're playing. Rocky, our other dog, aspires to be a dog like that. But he can't.
He can't quite master it yet. And Penny just wants to eat the garbage. Nope.
Can you see it? The videos aren't that good because I'm getting tangled in between the line and this. But here's another guy. Hold on. To the left, he's the other guy. See them? There's actually 3. And there's that boat in the distance. See, it's a really nice day. Oh, there, look. See one? Hold on. Doggies are coming. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, Remote-Backroad-Jungles with a dash in between each word, and my link is www.youtube.com/hiddenoasis-secret pathfinder. See that? They retrieved. Wow. That guy's still looking for his.
Alright, back to the litter. No, not back to the nasty.
Okay, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my videos. And we gotta teach our dog how to swim. Oh, the guy doesn't want to come back in.
No, girl, no.
There goes the other guy trying to get out to them.
Why does she eat the weirdest thing she eats?